I might go back. There's a van coming. I might, immense possibility of air conditioning specialist. I can't see how I'm just got fucking air conditioning down there in the middle of nowhere. Fuck's sake. Immense possibility of potato. Yeah, well, I've got tatties left over for yesterday. God bless all. Yep, thank you. So a Karen, well, whatever, who cares. It's already divine in Catholic Protestants. Buckfast is nectar from the gods. I like it actually. Aye, the Abbey is awesome. What is this for? What is your favourite beer? That's a great question. What's my favourite beer? Wow. Newcastle Brown Ale. But I think it's just because I drank it when I was young.